if you can see him. That's the bull through there, staring at me. Some of the other girls are coming close to the river. Hello, girls. Hello. The bull is staring me down through the trees. Should be able to see him now. There we go. There's the wee man there. Hello, bull. There's the arms a bit. Whoa, look at him. Fine specimen.